This Valentine's Day, remember that tech makes the love last longer than flowers or chocolates. The Dyson Airwrap is a stylish, practical gift your partner can use to get ready for a big night out. This is the first Bluetooth-enabled Airwrap, so you can take a hair type quiz and it will adjust to give you the perfect settings. And the new conical barrel lets you get closer to the root for a more defined style. The Google Pixel 9 is an impressive gift choice, with AI power that makes photo editing easy and a beautiful Full HD Plus OLED screen. Why not use Gemini to organise a romantic getaway? Gemini, can you help me plan a trip to Paris for two? If your Valentine is a film fan, then the Motorola Moto G85 stereo speakers support Dolby Atmos. Plus, the QC Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor will help them power through whatever their day throws at them. Or why not choose a treat for the both of you? The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo coffee machine has 5 one-touch coffee recipes and a latte crema system, so breakfast in bed will be hassle-free.